How to create an Amazon seller account in the UK. First, you have to search for Create Amazon Seller Account UK and click on this first link that pops up, How to Start Selling on Amazon. Make sure it is on the co.uk website, and we'll just click on sign up right here. You will need to log in with your Amazon account. I'm already logged in. So here, this is going to be the first step, which is the country where your business is registered. So I'm just going to choose the country and what type of business do you have. We'll click on save and continue. It's going to tell us completed. You can do state-owned business, publicly listed business, privately owned business, charity, and individual. We're going to do privately owned business. And again, we'll click on save and continue. So as a privately owned business, from the country you will need, it is going to tell you what you need to provide for your specific country and type of business that you have. So for me, it's going to be a valid government issued ID, recent bank account or credit statement, chargeable credit or debit card, and my mobile phone number. So here you just have to click on I confirm my business location and type are correct, and I understand this cannot be changed later, and you click on I agree, agree and continue, like so. And right here it's gonna take us to the next page. Just give it some time here to load. All right, so you can see the next steps here. You will have to provide your business information. Next, you will have to provide your seller information, billing information, your store, and complete verification. Once you go through these steps, you will have created your Amazon seller account from the UK. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.